I think there's been a slight mistake. Everyone seems to think that I'm, Oh, the Sacred Hall of Warriors? No way! Look at this place. Master Flying Rhino's armor! With authentic battle damage! Whoa. Sword of Heroes. Said to be so sharp you can cut yourself just by looking. Ow! The invisible Trident of Destiny? I've only seen paintings of this painting. Yeehaw! Ah! No. The legendary Urn of Whispering Warriors, said to contain the entire Tenshu army. Hello?
Have you finished sightseeing?
Sorry, I should have come to see you first.
My patience is wearing thin.
Oh, well, I mean, it's not like you're going anywhere.
Would you turn around?
Sure. Hey, how's it going? Now, how do you get 5,000? Master Shifu! Someone broke that, but I'm gonna fix it. Do you have some glue? Ow. Ow. Ooh. Splinter.
So you're the legendary dragon warrior,
I guess so?
Wrong! You are not the dragon warrior. You'll never be the dragon warrior until you have learned the secret of the dragon scroll.
Whoa. So, how does this work? You have a ladder or trampoline or...
You think it's that easy? That I'm just going to hand you the secret to limitless power?
No,
One must first master the highest level of Kung Fu, and that is clearly impossible if that one is someone like you.
Someone like me?
Yes! Look at you. This fat butt. Flabby arms.
Those are sensitive in the flabby parts.
And this ridiculous belly.
Hey!
And utter disregard for personal hygiene.
Now, wait a minute. That's a little uncalled for.
Don't stand that close. I can smell your breath.
Listen, Uwe said I was the whooshy finger hold. No, not the whooshy finger hold.
Oh, you know this hold.
Developed by Master Wuxi in the 3rd Dynasty. Yes.
Oh, then you must know what happens when I flex my pinky.
No.
You know the hardest part of this? The hardest part is cleaning up afterwards.
Okay, take it easy.
Now listen closely, Panda. Uguay may have picked you, but when I'm through with you, I promise you, you're going to wish he hadn't. Are we clear?
Yeah, we're clear. We're so clear.
Good. I can't wait to get started.
Wow.
Let's begin.
Wait. What? Now?
Yes, now. Unless you think the great Uguay was wrong, and you are not the dragon warrior.
Oh, okay, well, I don't know if I can do all of those moves.
Well, if we don't try, we'll never know, will we?
Yeah, it's just maybe we can find something more suited to my level.
And what level is that?
Well, you know, I'm a master, but let's just start at 0. Level 0.
Oh, no. There's no such thing as level 0.
Hey, maybe I could start with that.
That? Use that for training children and for propping the door open when it's hot. But if you insist...
Whoa, the Furious 5. You're so much bigger than your action figures. Except for you, Mantis. You're about the same.
Go ahead, Panda. Show us what you can do.
Are they gonna watch, or should I just wait for them to get back to work or something?
Hit it.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I just ate. So I'm still digesting, so Kung Fu might not be as good as later on.
Just hit it.
All right. What you got? You got nothing, because I got it right here. You picking on my friends? Get ready to feel the thunder. Coming in with crazy feet. What you gonna do with my crazy feet, huh? Come on, I'm a blur. You never seen bear style. You only seen praying mantis or monkey style. Ooh, or I'm coming at you like snakeity snake.
Would you hit it?
All right.
Why don't you try again? A little harder.
How's that? That hurts.
This'll be easier than I thought.
I'm feeling a little nauseous. My tenders. How did I do?
There is now a level 0.